Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for February 1st. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair first. This pair broke through previous support, moved lower, closed lower. We are looking for this pair now to be moving to the downside, possibly moving on a reversal up to 82.49, possibly down to 80.55. Look for some resistance around 81.81 and look for some support around 81.15. Now, taking a look at the EURUSD pair, this pair broke through previous resistance, closed higher, is moving higher, biased is to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 139.85, possibly as low as 136.11. Look for some resistance around 138.75 and look for some support around 137.50. Now, the pound US dollar pair. This pair also broke to the upside, broke through previous resistance, is moving higher. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 162.91, possibly as low as 159.35. Look for some resistance around 161.75 and look for some support around 160.50. Now the US Swiss, this pair moved to the downside, is moving to the downside, closed lower. Look for it to potentially go as high on a reversal to 195.10, possibly as low as 0.9234. Look for some resistance around 0.9400 and look for some support around 0.9315. Now, no significant news announcements being released over this next session, so don't have anything there. What I do want to talk about is a potential trend line break that we have in the US Japanese yen pair. We have this low right here. It was created several months back. We had this low created as well towards the end of December. Actually, that is, I guess, January 3rd. And we have this trend line that potentially, if it's broken, could give us some profits. Here we tag the low right about here. You can see we have come down really close to it during this last session. And if we get a downward move, we could definitely see it break through that and even move lower. Now, potential exits, of course, would be first area of support and then another area of support. This first area is probably too quick, but I thought I'd let you be aware of it just in case. There we go. Let's take a look at this. Basically, around 6 pips down from the entry, there's an area, potential area of support. I don't think it will stop there. I think it will go forward. If you're worried too much about it, go ahead and put your short just a little bit below the trend break. This will make it prove itself, so to speak. So instead of entering here, just enter right here underneath it. Comes on down and then exit right there. 6 pips is not a significant amount of pips to really worry about. Grabbing 23 pips up to 30 pips on this move is what I'd look for during this next session. I do believe that we will get there. It's not that far of a drop for this pair to make. So definitely keep an eye on this one. From the open up only 9 pips. So a drop down of 31 would be is very plausible. Today's session we had a 68 pip drop, so that's well within the realm of reason. Use a risk to reward. I'd recommend using a risk to reward of 1-to-1. Potentially, though, if this is the high, just put it just a little bit above that, and then look for it to come on down. Hope that helps. And until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.